So we have these little mini little power supplies. I actually bought two, but I broke this one. I mean, I did it on purpose to see how much voltage the circuit can take, and it can take like 4 volts, 4.5. They're very small. It's a little kit that you solder together. This one works. I didn't use the zip tie because I thought it didn't look as good. I mean, it looks very similar to my actual power supply. But, let's test this out. Okay, it's on. Oh no, bad connection. Oh, this sucks. Okay, so let's try it. Turn off the lights. You can already see some corona. Oh. It actually goes to my finger. See that purple glow in the wire? Right. It claims 15 kilovolts, but it's not. It's more like 5 or 6. It's close to 10, but it's not 10. So, I guess we'll compare it to an actual power supply and see if it's good. But it's still adorable and fun. This is a great start for a person. Oh my god, it's not. There we go. Alright, so let's compare it to an actual power supply. Right here. Can't really see it well. So, just for another quick look. Those are the arcs of the little mini one. And these are the arcs of an actual one. It's a lot more louder. Plasma is a lot more hot. Can it do wireless, can do a one-wire power to a fluorescent bulb? I'll try it and hook it up. I guess. Yeah. I guess it can. And that's only with one wire, so that's kind of impressive. So let's try 2 wires with just 1 battery. It glows pretty bright, actually. Well, it's much dimmer on in person than on camera, so it's not really that bright. Okay, let's try 2 batteries, which is like 3 volts. But, ooh. Dang. Makes weird noises, huh? That's pretty cool. Lights up my whole workbench. Just changing its noise. Okay, now let's try an actual power supply connected to it. Now that is bright. I mean, if you're a beginner and if you want to start with high voltage and start making stuff with it, you can buy one of these kits. They're perfect for that. They're actually pretty fun to make. But one confusing part is the wires. Oh, the freaking camera's not focusing. Well, I'll draw a diagram. So one confusing part was how to connect the primary up. And I found that you actually have to connect these two for the center tap there's 3 holes and there's 4 wires. So what you do is you connect these two here. They go together and go to the center one. And this one goes to here, just jumps over that one. That one goes over to here. So that's the only confusing part. The kit is like so simple. You don't even need a diagram. The board is like already a diagram. So it's just a like a 15-minute maker kit. So I suggest it.